Hello, my name is April Hernandez, and this is my Week 8 presentation on becoming a Foreign Service member. For my first track, I choose Consular Officer, which he or she works in the United States Department of State. The job consists of helping U.S. citizens get proper health care and also dealing with criminal justice matters such as imprisonment, also like human trafficking, and all those other kind of things. Being a consular officer has many more jobs within it. And one reason why I would like to become one is because I would love to help people out and make a change almost. And that's something about me that I love to do is help people out and just be there for them and also do things right for this amazing country and the people who belong in it. For my second track, I choose management officer. Their job is basically keeping the embassy running. I mean, they supervise and manage real estate, construction, budgeting, and all that stuff. I like that type of work, and also, like, I would love to work as a management officer, as being the head of the embassy, because I know I would love to be a leader. Well, because I have like a character of a leader, especially with my job and like other places that I volunteered at, such as clinics and stuff like that. So, yeah, and I think it would just be perfect for me, just like interacting with people, like that's my kind of thing. Yeah. Also, if I had to choose a place in Mexico, it would be in Mexico that I would be stationed. I would like to even make a lot of positive differences there by making or by representing the U.S. in amazing ways, helping people, making positive changes, and many more other ways. The role of the United States with regards to international policy, I believe, is by making peace within other countries and also beneficial for us. Yeah, it's beneficial for us because of like trading and assisting and making almost relationships within other countries is very beneficial for us, and so forth. Thank you for watching.